Hello friends, today's topic 30 good stocks on Dasara bumper discount. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society. Before we start, we wish you and your family happy Vijayadashami. May the coming years be healthy, happy and prosperous. On Saturday itself, we made a video informing that our markets will crash on Monday. The same thing has happened as per prediction, and the heading was Somvara Matte Marukatte Kusita. Yesterday, there was a significant fall for Indian stock markets. Nifty fell by 1.34% and it was one of the biggest falls in percentage terms in the last 3 months. Nifty 50 minus 1.34, Nifty mid cap 100 minus 2.66, Nifty small cap 100 minus 3.59. All these changes happened on 23rd October Monday. So you can see that mid cap and small cap indices fell much more than large caps yesterday. Nifty 50 stocks are back at the same level which was seen in July 2023. So markets are giving a good opportunity to invest some money for long term apart from regular monthly SEP. Now, what are these stocks in discount? Nifty 50 stocks at discount in the list. UPL returns in the last 1 year minus 16%. Kotak Mahindra Bank minus 9, Reliance Industries minus 8, HUL minus 6, Infosys minus 6, Divi's Lab minus 3, SBI minus 1, Asian Paints minus 1. Apart from that, I got 2 columns more to tell you about the returns in last 1 month and returns in the last 1 week. But in order to keep the video brief, I am only talking about the returns in the last 1 year. Now, coming back to another index, Nifty Next 50 stocks at a discount. Ambuja Cements minus 19%, SRF minus 15% in the last 1 year, Avenue Supermarts minus 13, Pidilite Industries minus 11, SBI Cards minus 11, IRCTC minus 10, Dabur minus 3. Now coming back to one more index, and that is Nifty Mid Cap 100 stocks at discount. Page Industries minus 29%, ACC minus 16% returns in the last 1 year, Biocon minus 16, Tata Chemicals minus 14, Bata India minus 13, Jubilant Foodworks minus 11, Deepak Nitrite minus 10, Voltas minus 5, and now coming to one more, Nifty Small Cap 100 stocks at a discount. Deepak Fertilizers minus 41, Happiest Mind Technologies returns in the last 1 year minus 18%, Tata Teleservices minus 18, VIP Industries minus 13, Bata India minus 13, CAMS minus 8, IEX minus 6%. Many people keep asking us that won't our average purchase price rise if stock price goes up continuously every month while doing SEP? This is one example of a month when most of the stocks have fallen in price or are flat compared to last week, last month or last 1 year. In some months, you will buy at a regular price compared to last month. In some months, when markets are weak, you will buy when the price is lower. The important thing to be successful in SEP is to select fundamentally strong stocks and continue investing for many years as long as the fundamentals and quarterly results continue to be good. Selecting stocks for SEP without proper research or continuing to invest in stocks even when their business profits are continuously falling for many years will result in losses even in long term. Today at 8 p.m. in Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, there is a 1-minute stock market class and the link is in the description box below. At the end of the video, here is a question for your general knowledge. Suppose you make a loss from short-term transactions, for how many financial years can it be carried forward to adjust for gains made? A. 3 years, B. 5 years, C. 8 years, D. 10 years. Write the correct answer in the chat box. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.